Hi everyone! Today we are going to unbox My Little Pony Magical Salon of... Who is this, Thea?
Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie. Okay, let's try to unbox it now. Ipaharap mo para makita.
Pony.
Okay, so we are going to show you one by one what's inside and the accessories included. Wait lang, Thea. There you go. So, this is My Little Pony Pinkie Pie Magical Salon. Okay, so these are the accessories included inside and we are going to unbox them one by one. So, it comes with a hair straightener. This one is for the hair straightener like this, Thea. Look. Yee, you can use it with Pinkie. Okay, so this is the Pinkie Pie we've got from this set. And there is... Okay, so one by one, we are getting the accessories included in the package. There, one. This is a hair extension and colored highlight. 2. Press this until lights turn off. And this here, let's see if it is included with a battery. Okay, guys, so we finished unboxing and these are the accessories included. There are hair extension and there's a hair straightener. And we are still wondering what is this. It says there's a light, but I think it's low bat, so it doesn't produce light right now. And there's a comb and hair clips here. So there, and this is the Pinkie Pie, the newest member of the family. So there you guys. We hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Fate's Toy Collection. Bye!